Okay, we can do that.
Should we flank up the left side, take them out, and then move deeper? Or
We go deep.
I could be a distraction. I could ride a tote goat through the whole thing with my gun on me while you're running up.
Do I do a rapid deployment like that?
I think so.
Okay, we can both do that.
Both on the tote goat? Alright, we're gonna tote goaty. Hopefully my shotgun doesn't hang me too low. That would be awkward. You think we should go deep into 2? Cause chaos there?
The battle's going that way.
So should we take our zone?
Let's go take our zone up there.
Let's do it. Alright.
You know we're here.
Maybe. So
We'll start here.
yep.
Okay.
I got nothing. Nothing. You got us both.
Okay.
Yep, that's 2.
Back in.
Technically, that was almost 3. Alright, this time I'm taking trail. Watch for Shad. He might be keeping a flank on that for the trail and above him. I got contact direct northeast. It's Carson from Team 1. He's peeking over the hill. Control point is secure. Looks like there's a green pig or something here. I'm gonna go up the trench. Is that still recording? I'm in a somewhat covered position up in the trench. I'm hearing a lot of firefight in front of me. Is he coming up trench side? So behind you. I'm taking heavy fire. Do you still have a visual on James? I got cover fire, but I'm pretty sure he sees me. Contact. He's pushing up the left side of the mountain.
What the hell? I was going right at you.
It's going over my head.
Team 1 a little bit of assistance. I'm gonna go mess with Team 1 and move their flag a little bit. Okay, we're sending Wyatt to help your team for 10 minutes.
Can you repeat that? They should be in my green ammo chest. Hey, I'm here for a quick supply. Your team needs ammo. This team needs ammo. That should do it. Hey, ask Garrett who I'm giving this ammo to on his team. Ask Garrett who I'm giving this ammo to on his team. And I don't know whose this goes to.
Me.
You want a bat? All right, stay right there. We'll see. Actually, 50 seconds, then I'm on your team. Ooh. All right, team 2, I'm all yours. Let me check that. Hey, how long are they renting me for?
About 30 minutes for the reinforcement. Bonus.
30 minutes till I die? Or until I die?
Or until you die.
Hey, you guys got me for 30 minutes or until I die.
That is the case.
Let's get a push going. You guys are not holding too good. I'm gonna take these two. Hey, I'm trying to help Team 2 organize a... I'm trying to help Team 2 organize a push. If you can, like, kind of distract Team 1 for a little bit so we can give them an edge. All right, let's go.
Twice. It actually didn't hurt him much. I got shot in the forehead too. What the hell is that? Really? Is that a random guy?
Please tell me Garrett closed up all my stuff back at base camp. Hey, here comes Garrett.
Bad guy? Oh yeah, I see him.
If we all push them together, we can take them out. Get up here.
We all found
I'm out of CO2. You guys gotta cover me. I know, it runs out on its own.
Oh yeah. Those two ain't. Does it matter if this gets wet?
Yeah, kind of. Actually, a lot. You got shoes out.
Damn it.
It's like poking through the bush. It's just not hitting me. Oh, I got you.
Okay, hit.
Here, switch me. Do not lose these shells, all right?
Come on, and it said my car was overheating, but then it stopped and went like cold.
Once you're done with shells, put them in your pocket. Don't lose them, okay?
Does it still cock like the other one?
Nope, just shoot it. It's ready to go.